Now, in the aftermath of India's Operation Sindoor, which was a carefully planned counter-terror strike against terror infrastructure in Pakistan, Pakistan has launched an aggressive propaganda campaign. Now, this battle, while not fought with guns and missiles, is equally dangerous. Why? Because it targets minds through misinformation and psychological warfare. Now, following the Indian airstrikes that neutralized dozens of terrorists, what Pakistan did is Pakistan responded not just with artillery along the line of control, but also with a flood of fake news. For example, fabricated advisories started circulating. It warned the Indian citizens in border states like Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir to stock up on food, water and medicines, hinting at an upcoming war. Now, these were not issued by any Indian authority and were clearly designed to cause panic among the Indian society in the bordering states. Simultaneously, doctored or fake videos and old images were pushed online. This falsely showed destruction in Indian areas like Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Akhanur. Also, videos unrelated to current events were edited and misrepresented as recent Indian military losses. In addition to this, visuals from international conflict zones like in Palestine or Ukraine were rebranded as footage from Kashmir to show alleged civilian casualties. False claims also emerged of Indian aircraft being shot down in Muzaffarabad, Bahawalpur and Gujranwala areas near the sites of India's precision strikes. Now, these claims, however, lacked evidence and were widely discredited by independent observers. Yet, the narrative was aggressively amplified on social media, and this aimed to create a false sense of retaliation and strength on the part of Pakistan. Now, see, the objectives behind these activities of Pakistan are multi-layered. One, domestically, the Pakistani establishment seeks to divert attention from its internal failures and unrest by shifting the national conversation towards an external enemy in India. Internationally, the goal is to paint India as an aggressor and gain diplomatic sympathy. And psychologically, such disinformation aims to instill fear among Indian citizens and lower the public morale. But let's pause for a moment and ask, how many of us have shared a forward without verifying it? How often do we let headlines form our beliefs without checking the facts? Now, that's exactly what propaganda feeds on: blind trust and unchecked emotion. Now, this isn't just about a narrative battle. It's about undermining truth and trust. The digital age allows misinformation to travel faster than facts, making it crucial for every citizen to stay vigilant. Panic is the intended outcome. Division is the strategy of Pakistanis. And so, we must not let truth become collateral damage in a war of perception, right? India's strength lies not only in its military capability, but in the clarity, unity and resilience of its people. Verify before you believe, stay informed, and most importantly, please stand together, because in times like these, awareness is the national strength.